promoting good governance to support economic and social development. The 2022-23 legal year celebration sitting and tomorrow's public lecture also has a bar bench forum scheduled for Friday, 7th October 2022. I recall that when we held our very first legal year in October 2020, the world was grappling with the coronavirus COVID-19 scourge. So easily forgotten how the situation foisted on us the need. Some say the new normal was not easy. One of its fallouts is that we are able today to hold special court sitting combining a physical as well as a virtual sitting. We must be grateful to God Almighty that of the COVID-19 is over, though we are still enjoined to adhere to lay down safety measures. Followers of the checkered history of this court will at once acknowledge that even at that, it is one that stemmed from humble beginnings to what it is today. We acknowledge that more work needs to be done. We had planned to celebrate this legal year in the ceremonial courtroom in our new court complex, even as construction is ongoing. But this was not possible as we could not give the contractor the 3-month window he asked for to have the ceremonial court ready. Our wish, and we will work towards it, is that our next legal year celebration will be in the ceremonial court itself. Our primary mandate is the dispensation of labor justice to the parties that come before us. As a court of law, it is expected that all will know that our mandate will be activated only when a case is filed. Surprisingly, however, I have received letters from aggrieved persons urging to administratively intervene in their disputes and call the offending party or parties to order. I have been left with no other option than to reply stating that my remit does not extend to any administrative resolution of the dispute in issue. For unless a case is filed, there is little we can do as a court. In adjudicating labor disputes, time is of the essence. It is better to have a bad judgment quickly and a good one too late. It's a guiding principle sanctioned by the International Labour Organization, ILO. We are appropriately guided, given that we are the only court in Nigeria constitutionally enjoined to apply international best practices and conventions, treaties, recommendations, and protocols in matters of labor ratified by the country. But this does not mean that we deliberately go out of our way to deliver bad judgments. If anything, we've had favorable reviews from legal practitioners and members of the public regarding our core mandate and services. I quote just two. A, although one can argue that NIC is a peculiarly unique court, I have been using their court app since 2020. It has literally everything about their court. They are quite serious about digitalization. They upload judgments on the website almost immediately. National Industrial Court Nigeria has done it. I know the people responsible for the policy and its implementation.